Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am excited to share my favorite potato snack recipe, which is easy to prepare and very delicious. I am using 5 potatoes for this recipe. I washed the potatoes, now I am putting it in a pressure cooker. Add water until the level of the water is just above the potatoes, or add water as required. Add salt. Using a spoon, mix it well. Cover the pressure cooker with a lid and place the pressure cooker on medium flame and cook until 3 whistles come. Then switch off the flame and let it cool. Then peel the potatoes and mash them. Now add little lime juice. Add salt as per your taste. Little chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Take little portions of the mixture in your hand and shape into small round balls, lime sized. By the way, if you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Sieve 1 small dessert bowl of flour. Add little salt, little turmeric powder. Mix well. Add water and stir to make the batter. The batter should be neither too thick nor too thin. Coat the potato portions with the batter. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the potato snack on medium flame. Delicious potato snack is now ready. You can serve it with tomato sauce. Thanks for watching.